I've used this product for 15 years. We rely on Air Seal for all our vehicles to keep them on the road.
It's been a brilliant product. It saved us lots of time and it's never let us down.
And compared to others, we find this one actually works.
Air Seal products save us money around our 150-acre golf course.
We are going to start all the way at the beginning.
Wow.
20 years ago.
I was walking around this trade show in Las Vegas and saw a man stabbing a quad bike tyre with a screwdriver.
And he was like, wow, that's really good. Next thing he knows, he's coming home saying to his parents, bought 600 bottles of tyre sealant and I'm going to start selling it.
Where we were lucky, we stumbled on a fantastically good quality product.
We're probably seen as more of a premium brand. Our product is water-based, contains within it a second-generation aramid fibre that allows the fibres to knit together in the back of the puncture site and physically plug it from the inside out. And that's what really separates us out. A lot of our competitors will use a glue or a gum and they will set and dry out inside the tyre. We don't do that. We'll continue to operate inside the tyre for the life of the tyre and beyond.
We supply three main products.
This is our heavy duty product. We'll seal up to about a 15mm hole.
A heavier grade product called Armour Seal.
This will seal up to around a 30mm hole.
That's the one we also supply to the British military. So that's got a NATO stock number on it.
Hydro Seal,
which is for water ballasted tyres.
And the feedback we get is very positive.
And we do give a good service. We keep a lot of stock.
We all look after our own customer base. It just means that you've got that continuity.
We're on the phone regularly. It's a personal service.
So yeah, we've worked together for a long time. I'd like to think I try and understand the customers.
That's a really important part of how we operate, is actually understanding our customers' businesses. How can we serve them better? How can they either solve their problems or how can they actually make more money? What we've discovered over the years is actually it's not always about fixing just punctures, it's actually about tyre management. If you run a tyre underinflated by 20%, you'll lose 50% of its life.
What it's doing is it's sealing the tyre, it's preventing any air loss. That means that optimum tyre pressure is maintained.
Your rolling resistance is lower, so your fuel economy will improve.
So in terms of fleet savings, if you were an operator with 10 trucks, you could see savings of between £5,000 and £9,000 a year with the use of our tyre sealant.
The biggest cost for a business is downtime, because if that truck's stuck at the side of the road, the driver's waiting for someone to come out and then they miss a load and they don't get this done, don't get that done, they've got to pay them overtime to come at the weekend. It's just a massive waste of money.
We do probably about 10 or 12 trade shows in the UK. We do one in Las Vegas and over to Chile.
Primarily where we go along the practical demonstration.
There's your puncture. If I remove that, you hear the air loss and the repair.
So having sold in over 80 countries,
South Africa,
New Zealand,
Germany,
Bahrain and Saudi,
over many years, so it's quite straightforward.
And we have distributors all over the world.
For UK,
is dispatched the same day for next day delivery.
Our tyre sealants are for everyone.
Well, from people with bicycles, wheelbarrows,
including grounds care, demolition, construction, waste management, and one of our biggest customers we've had since 2009 is the Royal Mail. Where do we go next? I'd like to grow the international business.
Carrying on trying to take over the world bit by bit, really.
Also expanding our fleet management work. Sometimes we just don't know what we're going to get when we walk in through the door.